Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start now by opening Settings and confirming iCloud Photos is turned on. This is the only way iCloud stores your images. Sign in with your Apple ID and complete any two-factor prompts so you can access backups. Make sure you're on stable Wi-Fi and the phone has adequate power, because syncing and downloads can stall on weak connections. Once done, go to Photos and check the recently deleted album briefly to avoid restoring things you don't want. Now access iCloud. Com from a computer or open Safari and request the desktop site. Sign in and choose Photos so you can see everything stored remotely. If you find images in recently deleted, select and recover them immediately. That returns them to your library. If originals aren't present on the device, go to Settings Photos and choose Download and keep originals so full files arrive. If photos were removed entirely, consider restoring the device. Finish by confirming recovered images appear in Photos and that the status shows syncing with iCloud Photo Library. This ensures changes propagate to all devices. If syncing stalls or files are gray, sign out of iCloud on the device, reboot and sign back in, then wait. Large libraries can take hours to resync. If photos remain missing after a full restore attempt, check iCloud storage for missing backups and contact Apple support for deeper recovery options. They can sometimes retrieve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.